Wow.
Gotta love that, eh?
Okay. I gotta get out my phone. Start recording video. Or just have Mitch forward it. Everything.
That reverse sure is handy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's me.
Oh,
Fucking sweet. No extra mechanical gears. No electrical
and no effort whatsoever.
Plunging, turn around. Like wheelie down the whole way forward.
But see the exhaust is pushing right through and get you up there. Oh,
Yeah, it sounds really
it's a
good.
nice machine.
Yeah, I might have to rely on you for video, Mitch. This big bucket up.
Sorry, I got it. I got it.